Hello everyone, today in this video I am here to explain my project that I built for Hashnode API Hackathon. So this is the home page of our application, and in order to use this application I need to authenticate myself using Google account. Then after I need to copy and paste this generated GitHash API token into my repository secret. So I will copy this. Now I will go to my repository settings. Under the secrets and variable tab, I need to click this action, and here create a new repository secret and label the secret with GitHash API token as it is mentioned in the website too. So I need to paste the secret over here and add the secret. Now I need to configure my Hashnode account to connect with GitHash. So these credentials can be found into your Hashnode profile, so you can add these settings over here. I have already added this. Now the third step is to configure the YML file into your repository under which you want to publish your blog post. So I will copy this YML file, and I am going to add this YML file in project 1 repository, and I will open this project in my VS Code, and I will copy and paste the provided YML file over here. You can use this application in two ways. One is specifying your own markdown, and another is changing the code and pushing it to the repositories, and the GitHash application will automatically generate the markdown for you. So firstly, I will like to demonstrate how you can add your own markdown to publish the article. So I have this markdown already presented here. So I will add the So in order to publish your own markdown, you have to specify this special phrase over the commit message, that is my MD. This is compulsory. And I will push the markdown to my repository. And in the meantime, you can see the actions running in your repository. You can see the React.js intro my MD that is running over here, and all these steps are going on. And you can see the job is already completed and sends the response back. And to access the blog post, you have to go to your GitHash dashboard, click this button, and you will see the repositories under here, and you can tap this and see details, and you can access all the blog posts that are presented under this project 1 repositories. You can see the number of blog posts are 5, and this is the latest commit that I made to the main branches of this repository. To access the blog, I need to click this button. Here we go, we get our blog post ready that is published via GitHub Actions and GitHash, and of course a GraphQL API using Hashnode. And now I would like to demonstrate how you can use the auto-generated markdown to publish the blog post in the Hashnode. So to do so, I make some changes here, like and this is the changes I made to the code. Now I need to push the changes to my repository. And in the meantime, you can access the actions tab running in your repository. See whether your post is updating or not. You can see the job is running over here, and you can see the actions is completed, and if it's successfully posted, you can see the blog post over here. Yeah, you can see this is the latest commit that I made to my repository with the commit name project update, and into the main repository. And to access this blog, you can go to this button as well. And this is the auto-generated markdown that is generated by our application, which includes some commit details like SHA, committer name, commit date, and repository details like project one, who committed and committed in this, and modified files status is modified for this, and this is the deleted line that I added, and this is the deleted line that I deleted. So this is all about this application. And to extract these details, I have used GitHub API. And if you haven't noticed, the workflow contains several steps like extracting the repo information, extracting the commit messages, you can see over here, extracting the repo information like repository name, repo URL, API key that I paste over here, and username, and extracting the commit messages, project update, and you can see the commit message over here. And finally, it checks the commit messages and do the actions related to this, and send all this extracted information to the Express backend hosted in the remote server. And this is all about this GitHub action.